So, what is the best advice you have ever received?
Hi, hi, hi. Good evening.
Can
I'm
you
good.
hear me?
How are you?
Absolutely
Yeah,
fine.
yeah.
So, how was your day, Ashwin?
My day was pretty good.
Mhm.
Currently, I'm connecting from Israel.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's great. Mhm.
So you're from which part of
That's.
India?
I am from Dehradun, Uttarakhand.
Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Okay. It's
Mhm.
very close to Kedarnath, right? Yeah.
No, no, no. Kedarnath is, I think, a few kilometers away, very close to Missouri.
Okay.
Mhm. All right, since we're meeting for the first time, let's introduce and know a bit about each other.
Yeah. So I will go ahead first.
Mhm.
Yeah. Originally, I'm from southern part of India. My state is Karnataka. My family is in India. My wife works as a lecturer. I have two children.
Mhm.
Yeah, currently I'm connected from Israel. For the past 3 years, I'm working in Israel as a personal assistant, one of the employer. That's all about me. Yeah.
That's great. So, what brings you here on Clapingo, Ashwin?
Yeah, I would like to improve my English communication. Yeah, that's why
Mhm.
I'm here.
That's great. All right, as you already know my name, Shalu. I'm from Dehradun, Uttarakhand.
Shallow.
No,
Yeah.
no, it's not. Please avoid that. Those two L. It's
Okay,
wrong. The
Shallow.
spelling is wrong.
Shallow
Yeah.
Ratha. Okay.
No, Shalu Mendirata. The complete name is Shalu Mendirata. But the
Okay.
platform has mentioned is it as Shalu Rata. And double L is actually a mistake done by my parents while writing my name on my certificates during my
Okay.
early years. So yes, now it is very difficult to get that rectified. So yes, it goes with double L. But actually my name is
Yeah.
pronounced
Okay.
as Shalu. All right. Yes, so I'm
Okay.
from Dehradun, Uttarakhand. I've been a teacher since 2010. Currently, I'm not there in Uttarakhand, but I'm in a part of state that you actually belong from. I am in Karnataka, Bengaluru. Yes.
Wow.
All right. So that's a bit about myself.
Okay.
All right, Ashwin. Shall we discuss the topic that we have got, or you want to discuss anything in general?
Yeah, you can go for topic as well because I have not gone into depth. But let's see
Mhm.
how much I know. I will tell. Yeah.
That's great. So, all right, it's about financial literacy and management. Yes. So,
Okay.
according to you, what do you think? It is better to save or invest?
It depend upon how much you are getting, like how much
Mm-hmm.
you are getting income from your sources, like as a salary person, or you are a businessman, or like different kind of professional. They are getting from different money from different ways.
Mm-hmm.
So how much they earn? What I'm telling you, at least 30% you must save for your
Mm-hmm.
future, and yeah, 50% right, because you have to pay like day-to-day activities, you have to meet the expenses,
Mm-hmm.
and some 10% you have to keep money for your unexpected expenses you have to meet. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So emergency time you should not ask someone else, so people are always, they are also have some personal life, and they are also, they have to make money for you also. For them it's very difficult in
Mm-hmm.
a emergency way. Yeah, that's
Mm-hmm.
right.
So, have you done some investment?
Yeah, I did investment in MetLife insurance. I'm getting
Mhm.
monthly some amount, yeah, per annum, per month I'm getting some amount. Yeah,
That's
until
great. So, Mhm.
15 years. Yeah.
That's great. So, from where do you get your financial information from?
Actually, I'm a commerce, student. I did
Mhm.
Bachelor of Commerce. I know a little bit. I also am discussing with my friends. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, that's great. So, what are your financial goals and timelines?
Nothing much. Right now, I'm having two kids. I'm giving give good education for them. So that's what for my daughter. I'm investing money for her. The name is Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana is there. Per
Mhm.
month, I am putting some money from my salary, some much something, and also for my son, he has a bank account, so I am
Mhm.
putting for him, every month some amount for him to. That is for their education purpose. Yeah, and
Mhm.
yeah, my short-term goal is I'm going to make a, house construction is going on now. So I need
Mhm.
to make a housewarming function upcoming November. That is my
Mhm.
short-term goal. Yeah,
So
that's all.
it's here in Karnataka only, housewarming.
Yeah, Mangalore. Yeah, so I'm from
Bangalore.
Mangalore. Yeah,
Okay. So you'll be coming back to India in that case, yes?
yeah. November, I have a plan. Let's see how it goes.
So do you think financial management is important? If yes, why? And if not, why not?
Financial management is important, according to me, because in the future, we have to meet. Yeah, I mean, for secure for your children, or you have to take care yourself as well. Also, you take care of others as well.
Mhm.
For example, health insurance. Do some money for that, and
Mhm.
also some long-term investment. Also, we have to make.
Mhm.
When you retired, I mean after 60, so that time
Mhm.
money is very much needed for you.
Mhm.
Yeah. So that's
Great.
why we have to do some savings. Yeah.
Mhm. So what is the best advice you have ever received?
I have received, yeah, people are telling that. I mean, my seniors are telling, yeah, you have to do long term investment. That is very good, rather short term investment.
Mhm.
Yeah, so short term investment, you have tend to, I mean, how I can spend also money based on, So if you put some long term investment, so that
Mhm.
big amount you will get, like lump sum amount you will get, that is good for
Mhm.
your future. Yeah, I
Great.
have got some information in that way. Yeah,
Mhm. What is the one piece of advice, one piece of financial advice you would like to give to your children or your siblings?
I would like to give my siblings or my children in financial perspective.
Mhm.
Yeah, see, for example, for children, they have to finish first their education. They have to concentrate for their education. After education, I mean, they have to choose a specific career based on their talent.
Mhm.
So that
Mhm.
we have to make them support for them. So what kind of education and become people they can do? They can go for financial consultant, and if they do science, they can go for doctor
Mhm.
or engineering, and if
Mhm.
they do for BA MA, then they can go for advocate and
Mhm.
lecturer. Yeah, sometimes we have to tell them, like, so which is effective for you. I mean, how much money you get in the future in a better way. Yeah. So in that way, we have to give some suggestion for them. I will give suggestion for them. Yeah.
Mhm.
Achieve their path.
Don't you think saving habits can be inculcated right from the early years?
Yeah, it's good for them, but like how the money they will get, that is important, right? So
Mhm.
otherwise,
No,
they will go for other way and get the money. So we have to make sure. Yeah.
like we usually give our children to give some pocket money. So
Yeah.
in that way, I'm asking, isn't it
If they put
important for
in
our children?
post office savings bank account, that is good. Even I did when my younger days. Yeah, small amount I got. I think I was in 20 years age in that time. Yeah, because I spent that money also. Yeah, yeah,
I think we should actually start teaching our children from a very early age
yeah,
so
yeah.
that
We have to
they,
give
I mean,
proper
they
plan
should
for
know.
them. Yeah,
Yeah, they should actually know. All
pygmy
right.
kind of money is there. We have to put some 10 rupees, 20 rupees. Like pygmy box also is there. In that way
Uh,
also they can collect some money.
mm,
Yeah. My son
mm,
is doing now. Yeah,
mm.
yeah.
Yeah, that's great. All right. Now, if there's a situation that you are, you have to manage someone else's well, how would you do it?
I have to manage someone else wealth. So in that way, they have to give power of attorney, right? For me, general power of attorney,
How
right?
will you manage their wealth?
Yeah, I will manage. I will ask them how much percentage for they're giving me, offering me. Proper way I have to manage for you, and without misuse the money. And yeah, I need to make sure them. And if they give some percentage, I would manage myself in better way.
Mhm. That's great. All right. So, according to you, what is the best way to manage your finances?
Better way to manage the finances. What is the? Can you give me one example how I can do? Like,
Like you're already telling me that we should invest somewhere, we should save something. So, how can you manage it? Like you have
yeah,
your finances, where will
yeah,
you
yeah, yeah.
try to?
That's what I'm telling. That how much you
Mhm.
earn money and like 50% you have to meet for daily day-to-day expenses, and 30% you have to save yourself. I mean, you have to put in your bank, or
Mhm.
some like now like mutual fund is there, and some kind of investment is there, like insurance,
Mhm.
also LIC is there. So you just put the money, and see, if you make some kind of insurance, you have to pay. You cannot escape. You cannot escape in that way. If
Mhm.
you put in bank, what will happen? You have tend to withdraw the money from your ATM card.
Mhm.
So that's what you have to do. Some money for yourself. Make some 30% savings. Yeah.
So, like, if I can ask, what is the best and the worst financial decision you think you took so far?
Yeah, because uh, right now I would have been think like before 10 years I would have been make my house, but I'm doing now, like I would have been do this 2015 or 16, something like that time, but I'm doing now
Mhm.
2023. That I little bit regret is there. I would have been make my financial proper way. Yeah.
That's great, Ashwin. That was great knowing your thoughts on the topic. So,
Hmm.
yes, a quick feedback.
Okay.
All right. There are a few words that I found that you were pronouncing them wrong. First one is in the chat
Hmm.
box. Try read it out.
Hmm.
Mhm. I have written in the chat box. Can you read it?
Where is the chat box?
Chat box. Can you see?
Wow. Okay. I got. Sorry. Show captions. Okay.
Or let's say
Also.
also. Say again.
Okay. Also.
Also.
Yeah. I should pronounce also or also. Also, right?
Also. Also. Yes. Next.
Okay. Children.
Children.
Yeah. Children.
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 Hmm.
Children. Okay.
Children.
Yeah.
Children. All right.
Uh,
Um,
uh-huh.
yes. And then you said make
Hmm.
a
Hmm.
housewarming
Hmm.
function. Now find your mistake in
Hmm.
this sentence.
Mhm. Make a housewarming function.
Hmm.
Should be, right?
Mhm. What should be the correct sentence? You're talking about that you have to like throw a
Mhm.
housewarming or whatever. Try to correct the sentence.
This is wrong, right? What you have written on the chat box. Make a
This is
housewarming
what,
function.
yes, this is what you spoke when you were when we were talking.
Okay.
Hmm.
So how I would say?
You could have said that I have to, arrange a housewarming function because I am
Okay.
constructing a new house. So that would be
Mm-hmm.
fine. All right.
So I have to arrange
Then you,
housewarming function. Yeah.
yeah, when the next time typing, all
Mm-hmm.
right.
When you retired.
What is wrong in this?
When you are going to retire.
That would be fine because we have not retired yet. We will
Okay.
retire, and then you used a past
Okay.
tense. All right. So when you will
Okay.
retire is absolutely fine.
Okay.
So yeah, these were certain mistakes that I could make out
Notice.
while having a conversation. Noticed, yes.
Okay.
So try improving on your tenses, Ashwin.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, your flow is
Yeah.
fine. Your
Mm-hmm.
fluency is fine. Your expressions are absolutely on point. So yes,
Thanks for your feedback. Yeah. Thank you.
thank you, Ashwin. Have a great
Thank.
day ahead.
Yeah.
Great
Thanks
night, a
for
good
having.
night, or
Yeah.
yeah.
Good luck
All
for
right.
you also. Bye. Take care.
Bye bye, Ashwin.
Bye.